Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet an adorable bow that can be used in all sorts of ways. You can use it as a decoration for your crochet pieces, or you can transfer it to a hair clip. So let's get started. For this project I'm using a 3.5 crochet hook and some yarn, and let's get started. First of all, make a magic ring. As I do, try to keep this X between your fingers, and now yarn over and pull through the yarn. Now the magic ring is ready, but to secure, first of all, chain 1. Now you can see the magic ring really easily, but before I want to chain 5 in total and then show you my magic ring. After 5 chain stitches, we are going to make 4 double treble crochets. If you don't know how to make them, watch the video. So yarn over 3 times and pull through all the loops around the hook 2 by 2. This is one double treble crochet. As you see, yarn over 3 times and then pull through 2 by 2 all the loops around your crochet hook. Do the same thing again. We are going to have 4 double treble crochet. This is the third one, and this would be the last one of double treble crochets. After that, we are going to make 4 chain stitches. Then make 2 single crochets in your magic ring. So this is my second single crochet in the magic ring. Now chain 4. Again, we are going to have 4 chain stitches. Then again make 4 double treble crochets. So as you see, yarn over 3 times and pull through the loops around your crochet hook 2 by 2. This would be my last double treble crochet. After that, again chain 4. Now make 1 single crochet in your magic ring. Now we are going to make a slip stitch in the magic ring. Now we can pull the central yarn and tighten our magic ring, and the first row of crocheting this bow is completed. Now we are going to make slip stitches all around our bow. So in between the chain stitches and the first double treble crochet, make 5 slip stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5 slip stitches. Then we are going to make 1 slip stitch in each stitch. So find each double treble crochet, make a slip stitch on the top of each one of these. And the last double treble crochet. Now again we have chain stitches. Make 4 slip stitch in between the chain stitches and the 4th double treble crochet. Now we have 2 single crochets in the middle of our work, so again make 1 slip stitch on the top of each of these single crochets. So make 1 slip stitch and again another slip stitch in the middle of the bow. Again we have chain stitches, so make 4 slip stitch in between the chain stitches and double treble crochets. After those 4 slip stitches, we have 4 stitches around our bow, so again on the top of each double treble crochet make a slip stitch. At the end again we have chain stitches, so make 4 slip stitch in between the chain stitches and the double treble crochets. Now again we have 1 single crochet, so make 1 slip stitch on the top of that single crochet. At the end make 1 slip stitch in the magic ring and actually crocheting of our little bow is completed. Now we need to cut the yarn, but first we have to wrap a little bit of yarn in the middle of the bow to complete the bow shape. So add some more yarn and cut it from there. Now wrap the longer yarn end in the middle of the bow. Make sure the bow is in a good shape. After you wrapped enough, you can tie the 2 yarn ends close to each other. And once you're satisfied with the shape of the bow, secure it. After you've made sure it's secure enough, you can cut the yarn ends, and then we have to hide them, so you can follow my method and bring the yarn ends to the back of your wrapped yarn. And that's it for today's tutorial. You have now created a charming crochet bow that can be used in many different ways. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crochet fun. and like and share this video. Thanks for watching.